Okay, so Bruce gave you something in HD for the trade of the week, and I was busy doing other things, so I did not actually do a video on it, to make comments. So I might as well just do it now in this video. So one of the things that that I have, and I'm not sure, if he showed my chart or not, but we do have some symmetry support to be aware of from these prior declines within the uptrend. And we also have an overlapping 618 retracement. So the area that I'm looking at as far as support for this one is 196.03 to 196.75. And if it triggers, now it only triggered today for a day trade because it really only triggered on, let's say like a 2-minute chart, and well, let's look at it. So HD, a 2-minute chart, it held that zone. It took out a prior swing high. You would have had a buy trigger right over here around the 196.65 area. So it did trigger for at least a day trade, but it didn't trigger for the or on the 15-minute chart, which is the aggressive swing trade trigger, is at least as far as the moving average crossover. We did take out a prior swing high here, and we're close to getting a crossover. So it's close, and you did actually see a what do you call that thing, the squeeze trigger here, but you didn't see the classic trigger that I look for on a 15-minute chart or the 30 just yet. But I think you can still look at that in the next couple of days, because we do have definition of risk here as underneath 196.03, and then if it holds above this key support decision, your potential target becomes the 1272 extension of the swing into the zone. So again, I don't know if this trade is going to work out for more than a day trade or not, but I do know that this is definition of risk, and that if it does start to play out, we have some pretty healthy upside, and we know that we're wrong if it comes back down through this support. So I think that's really what you need to know, what your risk is, what your potential is, and what kind of signal you need that tells you that it's okay to place a bet.